So good morning, woodpeckers. Monday today, the 25th of January, nearly through January. Okay, today just an addition to what we've been doing over the last couple of days, where we've been looking at no regrouping, ones regrouping, tens regrouping. Friday you did hundreds regrouping with Mrs. Nicholson. Today we're looking at what happens when the answer is over 1,000. Okay, so you're going to get a simple sum. It's written horizontally. You've got to first turn it into a column addition sum. Some of you are still not doing this. It has to be set out like a column addition because that's what the title is, okay? I don't want to see people trying to work it out, okay, horizontally. It's difficult to do, okay? Set it out as a column addition and then follow the rules. It's as simple as that. Right, so we literally look at the ones column. That's where we start, okay? And it's quite simple today. We simply say 6 add 2, or 6 ones add 2 ones. The answer is 8. No regrouping needed, okay? Tens column, 8 add 1 is 9. No regrouping needed. Hundreds column, okay? If you notice already, I've got a thousands column written, so that means the answer is going to be above 1,000. So this is the only tricky column that we need to worry about, okay? So we're saying to ourselves, what is 700 add 400? Exactly like it says here, 700 add 400 is actually 1,100, okay? Or 1,100. And we know that 1,100 is made up of 1 1,000 and 1 100, okay? So I simply then write the answer in, okay? It's 1 1,000 and 1 100, and there's my answer. Okay, some of you might go, oh, 7 add 4 is 11. Technically, that's not correct, okay, because it's actually 700 add 400. But on this example, that it does work. When you say 7 add 4 equals 11, you simply then just write the answer down. But what it represents is, the answer is 1,100, which is 1 1,000 here and 1 100 here, okay? So that 11 represents 1,100, okay? So there is the quick way of doing it and saying 7 add 4 is 11 and you write your answer down. Can you notice there's no regrouping today, okay? I'm not carrying any numbers underneath. I'm not crossing them out when I'm adding on. We're simply saying to yourself what happens when you add a hundreds value where it actually goes over 1,000. So it's 700 add 400. Most of you should be shouting out that's 1,100 or 1,100, okay? And there's no regrouping in the tens and there's no regrouping in the ones. Remember, this 11 represents this 1 1,000 and 1 100, okay? That's what the 11 represents, okay? It's 1,198. And if you say it to yourself, you can hear that it's 1,198, okay? And you can actually hear what each of those values is worth when you say it to yourself, okay? So best of luck with that. It's quite straightforward today. All the sums are going to be over 1,000, okay? Just think about what the hundreds column represents when you add them together, okay? Best of luck.